खुलुमबायख्या जत ताखुकते बुखुकसं ताई लामसगो जतननो ani o channel फाइदि जों तिनि नालेने नेरि नि होते काशा कताल job notification फाइमानि नेरि नि full form अंका North East Regional Institute of Education ताई अबनि location अंका उमियाम शिलं मेघालयावा फाइदि जों अबनो नालेने बनि website थांगे बनि website नि address अंका neri.nic.in थामनि परे बनि website open नै नर नुगुइमानो काइसा option तंगो just right side दिगियो नुगुइमानो ओ जगानो काइसा option तंगो news and events नै notification फाइजाक advertisement of system analyze काम programmer नै ओ जगा click खादि पूरा notification नाइने निबागै ताकुकते बुकुकसं posting बुमंगका system analyzed काम programmer ताई vacancy दंगो काइसानो ताई नंगनो salary जाने 31,000 के ताकुकते बुकुकसं जरा eligible candidate नरनि documents ताई बनि format दंगनो आबनो fill up kai बनि email address मा होनाय बनि email address संखा neri.shillong@ncert.nic.in अब submit खानेन बगि last date संखा 2nd September 2021 aboni pore norok nugimano aboni bagai essential qualification nangnai Master of Computer Application short form ka MCA or BE haika BTech in Electronics or Computer Science from a recognized university haika institute takokte bukuksong aboni bagai desirable dejangnai Diploma in Hardware, Networking and System Security. Aboni pore 3 years experience in a reputed organization high institute. Aboni pore good knowledge of Windows and Linux servers, laptop, printer and desktop. Ability to administer 200 plus node network including firewalls, network printer and NMS. Tai good verbal and written communications. Tai aboni job description angka User administration, system and peripherals troubleshooting and maintenance, monitor system performance, install software, create a backup and recovery policy, monitor network communication, software maintenance and upgradation, set up security policies for users, password and identity management, managing Cisco, Hi-Fi, Juniper switches, routers, firewall, configuration and wireless controller. Aboni pore configure TCP IP and VPNs for remote access, providing support to IT systems including day-to-day operations, monitoring and problem resolution for all the client server, storage, network devices, tai mobile devices etc. Aboni pore website designing, development and updating via source channel. Aboni pore managing audio video studio equipments. Aboni job description takukte bukuksong aboni bagai age limit ena nangnai 30 years takukte bukuksong jefur norok selected ong aboni bagai norok joining khane thangpur noni recent passport size kaini photo tlangai thangdi tai noni original documents rok tlangai thangdi tai nono aboni bagai 1 year appointment khajengnai tai noni se performance kahunga ke abono borok extend khainai norok jefro application submit khayo noni email id contact number tai signature na tapokdi interview ni bagai nongno shahor jangnai tai nongno appointment letter jangnai through email tai norok selection nangmani pore nongno guest house jangnai boni campus no tai norok abono payment basis takukte bukuksong abongka application format nornugui mano o jaga nongni photo mathe panai tai obononi bo post ni bagai apply khai tong obo masinai calculator ni bumong ni father saike kaje ni mong permanent address contact number email id tai date of birth amongka educational qualification class 10 onwards examination passed board high university high institution year of passing percentage of marks aboni pore obongka professional qualification obo fill up ma khainai aboni pore work experience name of organization designation busini sing busuk jara total experience tai job role takukte bukuk song tenoni place date tenoni full signature roi obno fill up khadi ta scan khadi scan khameni loge noni jete alka documents tomani abono scan khadi ek loge khai boni email address noni documents re hodi before 2nd September 2021 takukte bukuk song omni bagito ashikno norjeri interest song ha apply khadi belekona hambai khulumbai kya